Welcome. If you're looking to stop those constant email notifications about your LinkedIn page activities, you're in the right place. With LinkedIn's latest update, managing your notifications is easier than ever. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to help you disable email notifications for your page activities directly from your PC. First, open LinkedIn in your web browser and log into your account. Once you're on your home page, look to the top right corner and click on the Me icon. This is your profile picture, and it opens up a menu with several options. From this drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to your account settings, where you can control everything from privacy to notifications. Next, in the menu on the left-hand side, click on Notifications. This is where you'll find all the options to customize how and when LinkedIn contacts you about activity on your profile and your pages. Now, scroll down or look for the section labeled Pages. Click on it to expand the options. Here you'll see activity on pages you manage. This section controls the notifications you receive about likes, comments, messages, and other activity on your LinkedIn pages. To stop getting these updates by email, simply find the email toggle under this section and switch it off. Once you do this, LinkedIn will stop sending you email notifications about activity on the pages you manage, helping you keep your inbox clutter-free. Remember, you can always come back to this menu if you want to adjust other notification types, like push or in-app alerts. LinkedIn lets you customize your experience so you only get the updates that matter most to you. And that's it. You've successfully disabled email notifications for your page activities on LinkedIn. Enjoy a cleaner inbox and a more focused workflow. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips on managing your LinkedIn experience. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.